Hello, you are welcome back to Beauty Mountains Images. This is what we are going to do today. Make sure to subscribe and also like and share. Let's go on. Check the description and download these images. Let's first import our background. Drag it into the project and resize. Alright, come to the adjustment layer and choose curves. Drag it down and let the output be 115. After that, select the red and also push it upwards. We want the output to be 140 and click OK. Select the shape layer and let's add a rectangle. Okay, come to the color and let's type in this code. Let's change the blending mode to multiply. Press Ctrl J to copy the layer. Come to the properties and let's change the color. Let's type this code. Okay. Let's reduce the opacity to 50%. Okay, so let's import our cross and drop it into our project. Resize and position it well. Let's change the blending mode to linear bend. Select the layer and let's add layer mask. Now pick the eraser tool. Right click and set the hardness to 0. And let's clean the bottom part of the cross. Okay. Let's import the next photo. Let's drop it and resize. Add layer mask and let's choose the eraser tool. Let's erase the edges. Now select the layer and let's change the blending mode to overlay. Let's pick the text tool and begin to type. We are typing the name of the church or the name of the organization. With these properties. Hold down the Alt key and drag the text to make a copy. Double-click on the copied text and edit. We are writing "Join us." And change the style to semi-bold italic. Let's keep adding our text. Remove the T and put the cross in its place. After that, import the texture. And put it on the text. Resize it and make sure it covers the text. Right-click on the text layer and choose Clipping Mask. Select the text and come to the layer style and choose Bevel and Emboss. Adjust the settings as shown on the screen. Let's add the drop shadow effect. So activate that one and set it as you see. After that, click OK. Select the texture. Then come to Image, Adjustment, and then choose Curves. Now let's begin with the red. Drag it upwards. Set the output to 140. Let's change the channel to blue. Drag it downwards and set the output to 110. Then change to RGB. And we are giving it the S shape. Okay, let's click OK. Now grab the text tool once again and let's continue to add the text. Come to the properties and let's make the following changes. Come to the layer, select the layer and then come to the layer style and choose bevel and emboss. We are keeping the default settings. Then let's add color overlay. We are using the dark color. We are adding stroke. Then finally, the drop shadow. Now let's take the shape tool and draw our shape under the sundae. Press Ctrl J to make a copy of the shape. And let's resize the upper layer. Let's keep adding the text. Come to the properties and open the color panel. Now take a sample color from here. Let's position the text. Press and hold the Alt key and drag the text. Change the color to white. And then double click and edit. Finally, let's import our paper texture. Drop it into the project and then use it to cover the bottom. Take the text tool and let's add the rest of the information. We are adding the venue, the time, and also the contact numbers. Okay, with that being done, let's open our folder and import our flare. And we are changing the blending mode to screen. Let's resize the flare and position it well. Press and hold the Alt key and drag to make a duplicate. And then let's place it right here and resize. Let's come to the adjustment in the layer panel and then choose curves. Drag it downwards and we want the output to be 122. At the moment, you can go ahead and save your project. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Kindly subscribe, like and comment to watch more. Stay creative and see you again.